Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. One more time. And I'm getting ready now to do sweet potato pies. And I'll be showing you the items that I'll be using in my potato pies. Well, the Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pasture. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff to comfort me. And I thank you all. I'm getting ready now to do sweet potato pies. And I'll be using heavy cream, cinnamon, nutmeg, and pure vanilla flavor, a little table salt, and I'll be using, I got 4 eggs in here, and I'll be using brown sugar, and also I have 4 eggs, and I have a half a cup of sugar, and I have 3 eggs. I have 3 eggs in there. All right, I thought I had 4. All right, 3 eggs. Now I'm using a stick of butter. Okay. I may use a little bit more. I don't. Depends on how the potatoes are. Right now, a lot of potatoes they're not very sweet right now, so I may have to. I use a tad bit more butter as well. Okay. All right. Okay, so now I'm putting in a cup of sugar and another 1/3 cup of sugar, of white sugar. Now I'm going to start beating this up. And I'm going to add this 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
1/2 cup of brown sugar.
Okay, let me stir this around just a little bit before I put my ingredients in. A teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I may add a little bit more, so, but that's to start with to see. Now this is going to go. And I'm putting my nutmeg. I'll probably put in probably a teaspoon of nutmeg. A tiny bit of salt. Okay. And my cinnamon. Probably another teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Now I'll be putting in my heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream. Okay. This is a half a pint, so I'm putting in half of the pint, so which will be half of the pint, so that's what I have. These are my 3 eggs.
Okay, y'all. She just put a tablespoon of flour.
Okay. Teaspoon of lemon juice.
She put a teaspoon of lemon juice in it, y'all.
Okay. Lemon juice, okay.
Okay.
Hey, Lena Nation, we going live. No, we ain't live. But they got me on, what you call this, like FaceTime on Duo. Hey, Lena's Kitchen and Sweets. Okay, y'all, enjoy Lena's channel. Lena's Cooking with Love. Okay, bye-bye, y'all. And come see me. Come see me at Dallas Sweets to you. Bye-bye.
Okay. I'm getting ready to put them in the pan. I think I come out with about 2 of them.
Okay, y'all. She's gonna get ready to put this in the oven. As soon as it get out the oven and get done, she'll come back and cut it and show it. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, give her a second. Show it on the film.
I am done.
Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all.
Daddy!
And this is how it come out, y'all.
I'm done.
Trying to so you can see it clear.
Okay, it's the final touches of my final finishing touches of my sweet potato pie. And Simone is doing a taste test. I've already did one taste test myself.
Hey, good.
So,
Hold on, let me get a taste
so she's doing a taste test right now.
Let me
And
get
this
a
taste test is
Enjoy
like
it, because that's your last piece.
what?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Matter of fact, don't put that in the refrigerator and save it.
Let me a slice.
Here.
Give me a slice.
Here's food.
Give me a
Add a little humor. Add a little humor.
Thank
Come on.
Thank
Yeah, I'll share that, because that's it.
I'm getting
It's
mine.
good though, it's good.
I'm getting me more than one piece.
What y'all think about the pie?
It's good. Yeah, 10. 100 out of 100. I mean, 9 out of 100.
Yeah, you get a
9
4.
out of 100.
99 out of 100.
No, 9
Yeah.
out of 100.
It's supposed to be 9 out of 10.
I thought you wanted a businessman.
I do want
That's why I'm
some.
cutting. Okay.
I do, but I'm.
Oh, he don't want it right now.
I
Okay.
was a fool.
Okay.
Fool is a piece.
This is a pie, y'all.
Okay.
Very moist and very
You
moist.
take your time with it. A little pizza piece.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
They got the candy apples again. Woo, too many different things going on this way.
Here.
I'm going to bed. I ain't gonna wake up and all this here and have a tummy ache. Thank you so much. Everybody said, everybody like the sweet potato pie?
Yes.
And what, y'all give it what, a 10?
No, 9
Okay.
out of 100.
How much she say?
She
Okay.
said a 9 out of 100.
Okay, thank you anyway. God bless. I don't know what she said, but anyway, whatever she said.
She said a 9
He gonna keep
out of
it.
100.
Nobody wants to keep it.
100, okay.
Yeah, 100. 100. 199. She said 199.
I'm gonna take it every day.
Okay, thank you all so much. Everybody's having so much fun until
Bye-bye.
I'm going to sleep and let them have
Are you having it?
Like.
good night to all with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is the end of